Welcome to YouTube channel Aloysius Papa. Hello everyone, Aloysius Papang wishing each one of you a happy and a joyful life ahead. In this video, my dear friends, I shall be briefly talking on what happiness is all about and sharing with you my perspective on a few significant steps that needs to be aware, embrace and practice in our day-to-day life if we really desire to increase our self-happiness in spite of living life in an ongoing chaotic and stressful world or lifestyle that we all are living in. So happiness in a very simple way can be termed as the state of being happy, well-being and contentment, life that is free from distress and sadness. Happiness is the feeling of truly enjoying life and the desire to make the happiest of it and help life experiencing joy, positive growth combined with a sense that one's life is good, meaningful and worthwhile. Happiness can also be considered as a secret sauce that enables us to live life blissfully and act the best in everything that we do exceptionally with poise and confidence. Therefore, living a happy life is our own right and a choice that we all can opt it for. So my dear friends, there is always a huge difference between fleeting joy and lasting happiness, but the difference lies in our personal choice. But I can give you one small example of fleeting joy. Chasing monetary pleasure often leaves us feeling empty once it fades away, and I think many of you must have experienced that. But choosing long-term happiness allows us to cultivate a deep sense of contentment that can weather life's ups and downs. So boosting your happiness is all about making mindful choices that enhance your well-being. So here are some simple yet effective strategies that I would like to share with you all just to dial up your happiness quotient. Strategy number one, always practice gratitude. It's surprising how often we forget to appreciate the good in our life. This is where gratitude comes in. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can significantly elevate your levels of happiness. It's a concept deeply rooted in psychology and has been the focus of numerous studies. The basic idea here, my friend, is that by actively acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of your life, you can cultivate a more optimistic outlook and improve your overall well-being. So think about it. It's the notion behind keeping a gratitude journal or taking a moment each day to reflect on what you are thankful for. When faced with challenges or difficulties in life, it's easy for us to focus more on negative and overlook the positive. But by consciously practicing gratitude, you can shift this very perspective. But remember, it's essential to be genuine and heartfelt in your gratitude, for it have to be meaningful impact. Strategy number two, prioritize experiences over possessions. I will let you know a little secret of my life. There was a time when I was completely caught up in the rat race of acquiring more things in life, more gadgets, more clothes, more money, more qualifications, more name, more fame, etc., etc. But trust me, no matter how much I gathered, how much I tried to achieve what I got, it never seemed enough to make me truly happy. Then I stumbled upon a fascinating insight from psychology. Spending money on experiences rather than material possessions leads to greater happiness. The thrill of a new purchase often fades quickly, but remember, the memories from an incredible experience can bring joy for years to come. This resonated with me, and so I decided to try it out. I started investing in good experiences, traveling to different places, attending different programs, workshops, learning new things, new skills, going to concert, trying out new cuisines, and you know what? It really worked. The joy I derived from these experiences and the memories I made were far more fulfilling than any material possession I had ever bought. So if you are looking to enhance your happiness, you might want to consider investing more in experiences rather than things. And trust me, my friend, it's a game changer. So, strategy number 3, always practice regular exercise. We often hear about the physical benefits of regular exercise, but what about the psychological ones? Exercise is believed to be a powerful mood booster. Yes, of course, it triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones. This is why you often hear people talking about the runner's high when experienced after a good workout. Beyond just endorphins, exercise also promotes the productions of serotonin, a key neurotransmitter that's often referred to as the happiness hormone. So, in fact, individuals who engage in regular physical activity always have lower rates of depression and anxiety compared to those who are less active. So, whether it's just a brisk walk, a dance class, or a full-on gym session, incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can significantly enhance your happiness levels. And the best part, you don't need to be a professional athlete to reap these benefits. Even small amounts of exercise can make a difference. Strategy number 4, fostering meaningful relationship. We human are social creatures by nature. We thrive on connection, belonging, and mutual understanding. Psychology suggests that fostering meaningful relationship can substantially increase our happiness levels. It's not just about a large social circle, but about having deep quality connections that provides emotional support and enrich our life. Whether it's spending quality time with family, reconnecting with an old friend, or making an effort to meet new people, investing in relationship can have a profound impact in our well-being. So meaningful relationship offer a sense of belonging and help us feel valued and loved. They also provide a support system for when time gets tough. So, if you want to boost your happiness, focus more on cultivating and nurturing those relationships that truly matters. It's the quality of the relationship, not the quantity, that contributes most to our happiness. Strategy number 5, practice mindfulness. Living in the present moment is always easier said than done, but our minds are often filled with thoughts about the past or worries about the future, causing us to miss out on the present. This is where mindfulness comes in. Mindfulness is all about focusing on the present moment, accepting it without any judgment. It encourages us to fully engage with our current experiences, whether they are pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. Individuals who practice mindfulness report lower level of stress and higher levels of happiness. It allows us to appreciate the small joys in life that we often overlook. You can practice mindfulness through meditation, mindful eating, or simply by paying more attention to your everyday activities. It can do wonders to your happiness, my friends. Strategy number 6, always extend your act of kindness. In a world that often seems filled with negativity, extending an act of kindness can bring a ray of sunshine, not just to others, but to ourselves as well. So kindness creates a ripple effect. When we do something nice for someone, it makes them happier, and in turn it makes us feel happier too. It's a beautiful cycle of positivity. This is not just a sweet sentiment, it's backed by psychology. Performing acts of kindness increases our own level of happiness. It boosts our mood, reduces anxiety, and can even increase our life satisfaction. And the beauty of kindness is that it doesn't have to be a grand gesture. Simple act of warm smile, a simple compliment can make a significant difference in your life. Strategy number 7, always embrace imperfection. Here is something I've learned over the years. We all know that no one is perfect, and that's okay. Striving for perfection can be exhausting and fruitless endeavor. It often leads to self-criticism, stress, and unhappiness. So on the other hand, embracing your imperfections, my friend, can lead to greater acceptance of yourself and increase happiness. It's about acknowledging that it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to have flaws and not have anything as figured out. This concept is at the heart of the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, which they celebrate the beauty in imperfection and impermanence. That's great indeed. So by letting go of the need for perfection, you free yourself from unnecessary pressures and allow yourself to experience life more fully and joyfully. So it's okay to keep work in progress. Embrace your imperfection. They make you uniquely you. Strategy number 8, always pursue your passion. Have you ever noticed how time flies when you're doing something you love? I think you must all have done that. So that's the power of passion. Passion adds a sense of purpose and joy to a life. It can be anything that resonates with you. Painting, gardening, playing an instrument, writing poetry, writing a book, cooking different foods, or even just have a birds watching. Engaging in activities that we are passionate about can significantly boost our happiness level. It provides us with a sense of accomplishment, helps us grow, and adds more meaning to our life. Moreover, pursuing a passion often leads us into a state of flow, a psychological state where we are so engrossed in activity that we lose track of time. This state is closely linked with increased happiness and satisfaction. So my dear friends, go ahead and make time for your passion. It can be a powerful catalyst for happiness. The last strategy is always practice self-care. At the end of the day, the most crucial factor in increasing your happiness is taking proper care of yourself. Self-care is not just about bubble baths and spa days. Those can be just a part of it. It's about nurturing your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. This is very important. So this could mean eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, setting boundaries, or taking time out to relax and recharge. It's not selfish to promote your needs, my friend. You cannot pour from an empty cup. That you should always be remembered. By taking proper care of yourself, you're better equipped to navigate life's ups and downs and contribute positively to the world around you. So be always kind to yourself. Your happiness matters. Always remember, your happiness is always in your hands. The fascinating realm of psychology has given us invaluable insights into the inner workings of our happiness. It's important to make that happiness is not a destination, but a continuous journey. It's not about comparing your life with others, but about finding entertainment and contentment and joy in your own journey. Each of the strategies mentioned are steps toward cultivating a happier life. However, the most significant takeaway is that your happiness is ultimately in your hands. You have the power to make choices that foster your well-being and nurture your spirit. As Abraham Lincoln wisely said, I quote, "Most folk are as happy as they make up their minds to be." So my dear friends, go and take charge yourself. Make mindful choices and embark on your unique journey towards increased happiness. Remember, we all deserve to be happy. Dear folks, thank you for watching and your patient listening to my brief motivational talk on happiness and how to own it in life by practicing those few given simple steps. Keep watching and keep supporting my YouTube channel by your likes, shares, and subscriptions. Stay blessed and stay happy as always.